Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching not a movie review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Teen. Ribu Das Gupta's Teen is a whodunit, starring Mr. Bachchan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and Vidya Balan in the leading roles. Even though the movie tells you Vidya is in a guest appearance, I beg to differ. अच्छा खासा role तो है picture में. Now, as you've probably gleaned from the trailer, this is the story of an elderly John Biswas who lives in Kolkata with his ailing wife, who were the only caretakers of their now deceased granddaughter. Nawazuddin Siddiqui is a priest and Vidya Balan is a cop trying to solve the murder of Biswas's young granddaughter Angela. अब इस मूवी में इतना कुछ हो गया, I had to literally edit my entire script today because everything I wanted to say was giving something away. So there won't be any spoilers, but without that there might not be much to say. I'm kidding, I always have something to say. Amitabh Bachchan Sahab is so good in Teen. He's old, frayed, weak and very vulnerable. Now, watching him in his shirts and sweater vests which are hanging from his drooping shoulders, mouth slightly agape from constant exhaustion, running pillar to post to get work done, riding his scooter in the scorching heat of Kolkata, bargaining at a shop for one single fish, pleading in front of government officials to get his work done, bending down to fix his scooter when it won't come to life. It just made me so sad. Because I've met Bachchan sir many times now and he's such an active, fit human being. Goes to show he really gets into his character. Nawazuddin Siddiqui's acting prowess no one can doubt or even judge, to be honest. Here though, especially in the first half of the film, he didn't seem to be quite there, disinterested almost. I mean, the dialogues given to him and the way he's seen delivering some of them almost seems like a rehearsal for the final scene. Like he's trying to learn these lines and didn't know the camera was rolling. Having said that, he's definitely looking really good. A motorcycle riding, inappropriate joke cracking, running in the streets padre gets 2 thumbs up from me. I have a crush on Nawazuddin. Vidya Balan, even though her role is small, it's quite significant and words can't explain how much I adore Vidya. She's a badass in a system full of men. This lady cop is running around in her jeans, kurta and dupatta, nabs down bad guys after a chase sequence, handcuffs the dude and interrogates him while offering to light a cigarette. 27 thumbs up. Just. Now on to the problem areas, the pace of the film. The first half trudges along, even though it builds up to quite an exciting interval point, it tests your patience a little bit. अच्छा बेटा, कुछ मजेदार देखना है? पहले ये देख, अब ये देख, अब फिर चल ये भी देख ले. अच्छा चल ये देख लिया? भाई मुद्दे पे आ जाना please. Secondly, the timelines. I don't want to give anything away here, so I won't tell you much, but इतना समझ लो कि शायद समझ नहीं पाओगे. फिर जी ये Teen क्या है? After I got done watching the film, I sat and pondered. Even discussed with some friends who saw the film with me. What could possibly be the reason behind this film being titled Teen? Oh. Tell me now if you see the movie this weekend. For real, I'd love to know what you made of it. And also I was thinking ki why... No, but I can't tell you that. हाँ पर ये... Crap, I can't talk about that either. लेकिन जब विश्वास को पता चलता है कि honestly, I had a bit of a tough time holding everything together and trying to keep up with what was going on, tracking back and forth with the clues that maybe I could have picked up along the way, but I missed because I was slightly confused because of the... Damn it, I can't tell you that! On a scale of 1 to 10, Teen is... Teen? Why Teen? Fun fact of the week, Teen is the first film ever to be shot at the Writers' Building in Kolkata. All my Kolkata people give me a hey yeah. बड़ी मेहनत से बनी है पिक्चर, लेकिन आपको मेहनत नहीं लगेगी. Just click on the subscribe button below to get your film fix.